Assalamu alaikum, my friends. I'm Ridwan with you today. How are you? I'm fine, alhamdulillah. Today, I will not present any surah. Guess what I'm gonna present? I will present one of my favorite recipe that is very delicious and very healthy. That is fruit yogurt. To make this recipe, you need a small banana, you need 3 strawberries, and you need Greek yogurt. Do you know what is the benefits of these fruits? Okay, no problem. I will explain you. Banana and strawberries are great fruits for the children who play sports. Also, it improves our vision, it improves our digestion and our brain and our bone. Because it's full of potassium, magnesium, and lots of vitamin A, B, and C. And Greek yogurt is very important for the bone. It's full of protein and calcium. If you don't like milk, no problem. Eat yogurt. Because we play a lot, right? We need it. Let's start our recipe. First, cut a few slices of strawberry.
Make it a little bit smaller.
A little bit smaller? Okay. After this, we're gonna cut a few slices of banana. Now, let's start cutting a slice of banana. First, peel it. Oops. That's all what we need. Now first, cut a few slices of banana. Now it's time for the fun part. First, we take some Greek yogurt. Wait. First, we take some Greek yogurt. We take 6 teaspoons. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's start mixing. Yum. Now you eat it. Let's try, but don't forget to say Bismillah. Bismillah.
Is it delicious?
Uh-huh. Very importantly, after eating, you must thank Allah by saying Alhamdulillah
Hillazi.
الذي أطعمنا وسقانا وجعلنا مسلمين.
Meaning.
Meaning, all praise and all thanks belongs to Allah, the one who fed us and gave us drink and made us Muslim. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button. If you have any question, please comment down below. Wait for the next video. I'm coming again. Inshallah. Bye everyone.